Step stretch number 2, the glute emphasis or the piriformis. So a very important area to mobilize if you have a history of sciatica or back pain, or you find yourself often standing, walking, running with your toes out. We gotta open that up into external rotation. So I'm gonna show you the more advanced option. I'll show you the modification as well. I like to kind of go off to the side a bit. I like a kind of a pad for the foot, make sure it's comfortable. And we can emphasize going horizontally. We can also emphasize going vertically and use as much assistance as you need with the hands. And back toe emphasis, we are gonna get the hip flexor stretch here, but mainly glute stretch here. So I just start by kind of exhaling forward, inhaling back, trying to keep my chest out, using my palms to kind of help that positioning. You know, after about 3 to 5 of those guys, now I can start to emphasize kind of sinking my hips down more to really extend the stretch vertically. So inhale down, exhale up. And what you want to try to think about doing here is using this glute to lift you back up. I can add a little rotation here as well. Now, one thing you want to kind of work towards here is getting just a one hand or even no assist, right? Completely isolated where I can just kind of get out here and then just isometrically hold through the strength of that hip. So this is going to really help build the glute, stretch the hip, bulletproof the back, all right? And just sink into it. I can still work on my back leg too there. Now, some of you that, you know, it's a little more advanced when I just go foot here and I can get a deeper sink and I could put more stress into the hip. If you're newer to this, you feel a little bit of tension in the knee, a little bit of belch. The modification is I come here and I just give my heel through knee, let them be kind of fully supported on the box. And it's not as stressful. So it's a way to kind of get into the drill. I can still do kind of the in and out action. I can do the sinking. I can also kind of move to more of my foot side versus more of my knee side as I do it. And just kind of adding side to side motion, getting up, sinking down. So lots of options there. But again, it'll help turn you from here to here, really alleviate back pain. And it does build your butt, especially as you get more of your body weight into the stretch.